Hello everyone. Today we are exploring Cold Springs, New York. It's a charming village on the Hudson River, filled with historic antiques, great food, and incredible views. It's situated along the Hudson River, about 55 miles north of Lower Manhattan. One of Cold Springs' landmarks is its historic train station. The original depot was built in 1893, and today the building houses a restaurant called the Cold Spring Depot. You can still see and hear the trains passing by, adding to the nostalgic atmosphere. Behind the station, there's a tunnel that runs beneath the tracks. It leads straight to the Hudson River waterfront, a quick and fascinating way to reach the water. And here we are at the riverfront. Look at that view. Across the river are the Hudson Highlands. It's a great spot to take photos, relax, and watch the boats drift by. This village perfectly blends history and natural beauty. You really get a sense of what life was back in the day. The views remind us that this community was once a bustling shipping hub in the 1800s. It is easy to get here by train or car. Driving from Lower Manhattan, New York to Cold Spring takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on traffic and what exact starting point you're at. If you're taking the train from Grand Central Station to Cold Spring, the trip typically takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes on the Metro North Hudson line. Let's take a stroll down Main Street and see what makes this town so special. This area of Cold Spring is part of the designated historic district. As we head back towards Main Street, you'll notice little details, like vintage lampposts, distinct walkways, and cozy art galleries. Many of the buildings here date back to the 1800s. If you take a look around as we walk, you'll notice old houses, shops, cafes that all kept their original character. Check out all of these buildings. You can see the vintage brickwork, windows, and doorways. Many once served as stores, banks, or homes. Walking here feels like stepping back in time. Some buildings have plaques that share when they were built and their historical significance. Cold Spring is also well known for its antique shops, many filled with everything from classic furniture to small collectibles.
Because I feel like
If you're hungry, there are fantastic cafes and restaurants all around you. Grab a coffee, ice cream, or sit down for a full meal. Some spots even offer outdoor seating, perfect on a sunny day. You'll find plenty of boutique stores, each offering something unique and worth exploring. On weekends, you might even catch a farmer's market or a lively community event. A little history of this area. In about 1691, a large tract of land, including what is now Cold Spring, was bought from the Wappinger people. The sale was later confirmed as legitimate by the Wappinger leader in 1765. The first permanent settler arrived in Cold Spring in 1730, and by the early 1800s a small village had formed. The establishment of the West Point Foundry in 1818 helped the town grow, and Cold Spring was officially incorporated in 1846. There are many key points of interest near Cold Spring, New York, such as Hudson Highlands State Park, West Point Foundry Preserve, Bannerman Castle, and many more. I will leave a list in the video description below. That's it for our walk through this charming village. From historic architecture and antique treasures to the train station, tunnel, riverfront, this town is a perfect day trip destination. Thank you for joining me on this virtual walk. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more adventures. See you in the next video.